Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the domain is active in your Namecheap account and unlocked so validation can proceed. Once done, choose the certificate type, DV for speed, OV/EV for business identity, and understand the difference. Make sure you have the admin email or DNS control panel credentials available. This speeds validation. Then go to Namecheap's SSL product page, add your chosen certificate to cart, and complete checkout. After purchase, you'll be ready to generate the CSR and continue validation. Now generate the CSR on your server or through your hosting control panel. This contains the public key and exact domain names. Once you have the CSR, return to Namecheap and paste it into the certificate request form. Next, pick a validation method. Email is simple. DNS CNAME is fastest for wildcard. HTTP requires file upload to the web root, and submit. Make sure to check the Namecheap dashboard and your validation email or DNS for confirmation. Once validated, Namecheap will issue the certificate. After issuance, download the certificate and the intermediate CA bundle from Namecheap and ensure they match your private key from the CSR. This prevents key mismatch errors. Then install the certificate on your server or use the hosting control panel import. Make sure to include the intermediate chain and restart web services. Test with an SSL checker. If you hit problems, verify the certificate chain order, confirm the private key corresponds to the CSR, and regenerate the CSR if the certificate shows wrong domain or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.